crashed the Skyline. These things don't work very well. Not very good. I was lucky. So we got the Shardsman Deluxe, the Nissan Sex Machine over in this car park. Trying to fix the window wipers because they don't really fucking work. If you watch that other episode, when we started trying to rip up the fucking R31 and then the window wipers like snapped sideways. They went sideways off the fucking windscreen, danging down, hitting the driver door, the window wipers. So we're trying to see what actually happened. It's raining outside, so we're at the undercover car park. There's a little puddle there. Alright. So I don't think that's what that's moving that, which is moving that. But our motor's here. So what has happened by the looks of it, there's some sort of maybe a nut on there. This is a funny one. What's going on here? Oh no, it's got a groove. Alright. Let's try to fix this. Alright, so we haven't had any luck with the window wipers. I went to just go piss in the staircase back over there, and there's a homeless guy actually there, so I couldn't fucking piss in the stairwell. It's a bit sad for both of us. So I guess it might be time. We got no window wipers. I've legit taken them off. They're here in the back seat. I put the plastics back on, so like the water kind of doesn't all run down in that like gully in there. But yeah, so I don't actually know what's going on with the window wipers. I had a suss of it, but like either something's broken or like I'm missing a piece, or like I kind of just want to like look at the other fucking Skyline so I know what's even happening like after seeing this, because like it's a fucking semicircle. Like how does the semicircle get fastened to the fucking wiper motor thing? Like I don't know, we're gonna have a look at it and we'll try get a little bit of timber and then see what we can actually make. So we're gonna try and make up some door cards. Might try to get some cloth while we're here, have a little inspection at Spotlight. So we got this. I've obtained the fucking timbers, the masonite. I'm thinking I might start getting some of these storage containers so I can actually start keeping stuff organised. Get the fucking bunion snags back on, eh? I love the sausage. Fucking old Popsy's a bad man on the burner today. While we're here, I thought I'd show you guys my custom R31 cup holder. So if you got an R31, you probably know that every time you go to any fast food outlet and like get a drink and try and hold it with your knees or your hands, or it ends up going somewhere in the car, like upside down, spilling. So this is my custom drink holder. Everyone gets the ones in the center console, you know, like 3D printed ones. I got this one from Hungry Jack's. So I got, you know, the fucking cardboard jammed in there. It's got the drink tray from Hungry Jack's. And voila, Habib, Jolay. I have a drink tray. Look at that. Wait, this is hectic. I can actually see better through my phone than through the human eye, through my windscreen. So like, I was just trying to film. This is sick. Alright, so it's funny driving the car when your window wipers are in the back seat, but apparently I can see through my phone better than I can through the actual, my fucking human eye. So this is how we're fucked. This is fucking very strange driving a car through a phone screen right now. I feel like I'm in virtual reality, playing a computer game. What you can see is what I can see, because this fucking window is full of water. So we got the old door cards, measuring up, go on the spotlight, get some fabric, see how much we need. So we'll go 1 meter by 2 feet for the front doors. Alright, so we've got these out of the car, and that one's obviously a bit fucked. You know, you can see it's like bent or water's got into it and it's fucked it up. I'm not sure if this is broken here or it's meant to be cut like that, but we'll find out. So I've rescued some other stuff out of the car. I've got this fucking center console bit, so if we have some leftover, we might try and make a fucking shifter boot up out of it. So a couple of these, like the woods, are actually like alright. So I think there's 2 of them are fucked. The back one's actually, one of them's actually just put on. Let's put one of them on with the brown dirty fucking kind of vinyl stuff. So I'm trying to peel off. Someone's just like made this themselves, like custom MDF, and then fucking got like some canvas, suede stuff, and then fucking put them on here. So we need to harvest this top bit, and yeah, someone's like cut a sun. That looks like something we might need to try and do. Cut the sun. So look, that's like probably just a fucking circle when they've just like sliced it with a razor. Just like boom, boom, boom. Might try and do that, eh? The aggressive penguins. Just gotta take the screws out. So we're taking off the top bit, and now we can just peel off this, and we got our wood. Oh, they found the tagger. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh fuck. Look at his shoes. What a crazy guy. He's tagging in fucking leather pointed shoes. 80 series. What a beat. Is that 80 series? Oh no. It looks like a Toyota. Oh, look at that. What the fuck? It's fresh. That's not fresh. That's fucking toy. Toy is G. Oh shit. The tagger. He makes things worse by being difficult. He's gone and tagged the big window as well. Oh. I thought it was his car. The tagger was charged with interfering with a motor vehicle, graffiti and resisting arrest. Oh, what a bad man. Is that it? This is like quite sad. Like someone spent all their time making this nice. So I just got this. I wasn't actually allowed to go to Spotlight. They wouldn't let me in the fucking shop because I wasn't vaccinated. So I just got this. It's come to my house. It's quite thin, very, very thin. I was thinking it would be. So you can make some ladies' clothes out of this. It's that thin, nice, silky shit, yo. But it's alright because like it still seems to cover the timber quite well. So at the moment I'm trying to like lay, I got the fabric actually upside down. So good side is on the carpet, which is funny because it's like dirty, but so we've got the timbers on there, the woods, and we're just trying to work out the most like efficient method where we use the least fabrics. There's no big gaps in the middle. I'm thinking of lining like the long bits in the long bit. I'll head them across there, but I have to go pull that one off the fucking car because when I put it on to see if I could trust these templates, because you know I found them, I don't know if they actually click in, I can't remember, so I don't want to be remaking the wrong template. Alright, so I got this Spray Fix Sika spray. I'm gonna spray it on the timber of the door.
lay the cloth on it and try and stick it down. So it all glued up. So what I do now is I just gonna slice this and glue it over. Looking good. All fucking done, eh?